Hey friends, it's Julie HR. Just wanted to touch base. I'm updating many of my HR templates, giving them different formats such as like Excel, Word, Google Docs, and Google Sheets. Many of them have all the formats, but there are some that do not. And this is one that did not, and it is a very important performance management template entitled the Development Plan IDP. And it is a key tool, as many of you know, to assist your employees in guiding them and directing them and opening up a conversation as far as it pertains to their career and their personal development, their long-term career goals and whatnot, and getting pen to paper and getting something down on paper for them, with them, is going to make them a more engaged employee. Also, this is a time where skills is the key word, and adding skills that they may need because you see there's a gap within your organization, and adding skills to this is a key time to do it, because you can add these key skills in that your organization needs, that this employee wants, and it's a win-win for everyone. So let's get started. Let's take a look at this fantastic template and stay till the end, because you know what? I have an example one. You don't have to have a blank one. You're going to see step by step what's in every single development box. So you don't want to miss it. So let's get started. I'm on my Etsy site right now, and you can see the front example included to assist. I'm just not going to throw you a individual development plan and say, here you go. No, there is a example. As you can see, it's fairly simple. Here we go. It's 2 pages, 4 formats. Any format, you've got it. Google Docs, Word, Google Sheets, Excel. All right, here we go. These are the developmental goals. You write the big ones right up here. 1, 2, 3. And then you break each one down by development goals, development goal 1, development 2, development goal 2. So that is easy breezy on that. Under each individual goal, and we can look at this when we look at the example, you'll see a tactic for development, the assignment description, tasks required, an estimated time frame for milestones. While this could be a bit of a time consuming, but not terribly time consuming process, it is of necessity. It enhances employee engagement, and it gets your employees to where they want to be within their career and within your organization. Prints beautifully. And here is the example, but I'm actually going to pull it up. It's easy to edit Word, Excel, Google Docs, as mentioned. Don't forget about all these bundles. They're wonderful. Just take a look. They're my Etsy store. They're either on the first or the second page, or just go to bundles. So let's take a look at just the regular individual development plan. I just don't want to give you this, right? Sometimes you may be a new manager, you may be a new HR professional. You need a little more detail. List 3 primary development goals that the individual aims to accomplish. Include a description of how those goals will be measured or the expected outcomes. Also remember to use the SMART, SMART goals: specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. Okay, and then you'll have development goal 1, tactic, describe the assignment. This is going to be you and the employee. You are going to be working with the employee in creating these. You may want to give it to them first and then have them look at, and then you look at it. It's an optimal time to do this around, their performance review. But if not, then hey, do it now, and don't hesitate to do it, because it really needs to be done each and every year. Okay, so easy breezy, there's that. But I did one for a front desk attendant. So let me do that. I'm a perfectionist. I'm sorry. Okay. Here are the developmental goals, right? Enhance customer service skills. And this is for a front desk receptionist, right? Enhance customer service skills, improve organizational and time management, develop leadership and mentoring skills. Skills. You want to get skills on the board. Okay, measures of achievement and expected outcomes, increase customer satisfaction. See, we're being specific, reduce overall wait time, complete monthly mentoring sessions and leadership training. Development goal 1. This is going to tie to this one. All right. Skill, and I put skill training and mentoring. Because see, what tactic are you going to be using? Choose skill training, task delegation, stretch assignments, mentoring, and sponsorships. Describe the assignment. Attend a customer service excellence course and communication training, then pair with the senior receptionist for one-on-one mentoring. Tasks required for the assignment and plan to meet them. Enroll in online customer service course by the end of the current month. Participate in biweekly role-playing sessions focused on greeting, handling inquiries, and conflict resolution. And then you have the estimated time frame with milestones. Then you go on to development goal 2. Development goal 3. This is a mentoring and stretch assignment. Mentoring, I cannot say enough great things about it. You have got 5 generations of workforce employees in your organization at this time, more than likely. Use mentoring. There are a lot of those employees who've been there probably 15, 20 years that can really share what they know with a younger employee that's coming into the workforce. Do not take that for granted, but we'll keep going. Okay, additional development specifics. What additional support or resources are needed to achieve the employee's goals? Access to online training, scheduled mentoring sessions, use of scheduling software, guidance and support from HR and department supervisor during the stretch assignment. Monitoring progress. You don't want to give this to the employee, have them fill it out, you take it back, you talk about it just once or twice. No, this is an ongoing thing. And let's get it down. How often will the employee and manager meet to discuss the program? Weekly check-ins with the supervisor to review time management and task prioritization. Monthly formal review meetings to assess progress on customer service and leadership development. Quarterly evaluations with HR and the mentoring supervisor to ensure SMART goals are met. And you may have, and then at the top you may want to put, I know a lot of people have the same kind of forms, and you're probably going to want to put your logo, but put the employee's name and their title and your name if you're the manager or you are the HR professional. This is important. This is very important. This is on my website. You should have your employees goal setting every year, their annual goal setting. They should be having an annual performance review, and they should have an individual development plan. 1, 2, 3. Now, what are those? Yes. Annual performance review, goals, and then an individual development plan. Those 3 things are key. That guides the employee, guides what they're doing, gives them goals, and you're set. And you're good to go. So, I hope you guys take a look at my website. My Etsy store. And also on Mondays by 7 a.m. in the morning, I post every single Monday legal compliance dates, let's see, let me see if I can find it real quick. Yeah, let's go to my YouTube real quick. Oops, sorry. Let's go to Julie's YouTube.
Hello, everyone. This is Julie.
Yes, every single Monday, I have an HR weekly update, HR weekly compliance dates, You're finding out about the new executive orders from the Trump administration and how it's impacting your employees. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notifications to be notified of new videos. Happy Saturday morning. I hope you're having a great day, and check out this template and join me on Monday morning. Have a great day. Thanks so much.